Now we are making colorful bubbles. We need a cup, water, and oil, and food coloring. I've got blue, red, and yellow. First, we need to pour some water, just like this. Second, we need to pour oil. Look, the oil is floating on the water. So now let's drop some food coloring. Yellow, 1, 2, blue, 1, 2, red, 1, 2. Look, the oil is holding bubbles. Now bubbles are going to pop. Let's wait for a while. Wow! Look, they are popping. Pop. Pop. The bubbles are popping. Wow, it's so beautiful. The bubbles are popping. It's so cool. Did you like it, guys? See you next time.